Hey guys, I thought I'd kick off the first in my waterfall series with a trip to Princess Louise Falls. As you can see, it's a magnificent falls and it's right in the heart of Ottawa. You can find it on the east end. It's just off St. Joseph Boulevard. There's really not a direct way to get in here that I found other than parking in the nearby neighborhood and crossing St. Joseph and going up and down a few hills to get into here. It's not quite spring runoff yet, so the water levels are a bit low. The falls do get quite spectacular when the water levels are higher. You know, we're looking probably at the end of March, beginning of April before we get sort of maximal flow over this area, I would think. You can see the beautiful limestone walls that it's sort of the water cascades down. It's just great. I think waterfalls are a really special place and we're so fortunate in Ontario to have so many of them. Alright guys, I hope you liked the tour of these waterfalls. As always, have a great week, and if you liked today's video, don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up. Until next time.